Mario, have you a more Irish event?
Yes, I think so. RTE are saying it's too expensive to broadcast Mass on the radio live. So they're talking about now pre-recording a load of Masses in bulk to save money. It gets better. Now, obviously, this is going to take away from the whole idea of Mass, which is meant to be a live event and we're meant to feel the presence of God, and you know, the wine is meant to change to blood and everything, but I can see now with RTE that it's going to get even worse with pre-recorded Masses. I can see a time coming where we start taking ad breaks during the Mass, possibly between the second reading and the Gospel. I can see a time when, inevitably with RTE, we're going to get bits of the Mass sponsored, so it's going to be communion with Brennan's Bread, today's bread today. They're going to look at the figures, they're going to see figures for radio going through the roof on the pre-recorded Mass, and they're going to go, let's bring this to TV. So by the end of the year, it's only a matter of time before people have Mass, the box set, with extras and deleted scenes. Considering it's the Catholic hierarchy, there'll be lots and lots and lots of deleted scenes. And the person I feel sorriest for in all of this
the person who watches it.
Well, apart from that, the priest who has to deliver the 13 or 14, 15 Masses in the block of pre-recorded Masses, because he is going to be absolutely langers after all the communion wine.